Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Sites. Today I'm gonna unbox this UGREEN USB hub. As you can see, this is the 3.0 USB hub. Cost is rupees 2000. This is 5 Gbps Super Speed Port 4. This is a product which I've seen is kind of, according to Google, this is Apple certified. Whether I don't know exactly, but I guess this must be Apple certified. So let's unbox this product. So as you can see, this is actually 3.0 4 ports. This is 3.0 product. So the packaging is it is like the normal decent cardboard packaging, like the online ones that you can see generally. Let me open this thing up. So from here, now I've opened it. So this is the product itself, as you can see. Let's keep this on side. What is the other thing that we get? We get a product warranty card. As you can see, it says some details. From UGREEN Limited. At the back it's written in English. Might be some kind of Korean or Japanese, Chinese. Done, and then let me keep this thing. This is a 4-port USB 3 product. As you can see, this is the manual of the product itself. And work with any device, mouse, PC, or whatever you have. Okay, let me keep this thing back and have a look at the product itself. The product is nicely packed. You can see. Oh, this is the product. See, UGREEN. All are 3.0 ports, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. This is the build quality is, I will say, 10 on 10. Really very excellent build quality. So thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Technical Site, and also hit the bell icon to get notified.